3D printing is supposed to turn our wildest imagination into reality. However, most commercial 3D printers are hard to control, bulky, and lack accuracy, turning your fabulous ideas into the trash. But if you want an industrial-grade printer, it costs you a fortune until now. Meet Mooz, the only transformable, modular 3D printer with high industrial-grade stability at an affordable price, giving you a more precise 3D printing experience than ever. The Mooz 3 form is designed for efficient and color-mixing printing. The Mooz 2 form, meanwhile, is the solution for stability and unparalleled precision. And the Mooz 1 form allows you to create simple prints in an effortless way. Mooz features a design featuring the aluminum alloy CNC machine body that not only looks sharp, but also delivers more reliability and stability. The demanding industrial-grade linear guideway, empowered by extremely accurate stepper motor, together with the high-precision linear bearing, making every movement of printer to be more precise. Mooz is the first consumer-grade 3D printer consisting industrial-grade parts. It offers a more accurate and stable printing experience that you have been longing for. Simply connect your U-disc or SD card to the Mooz. Tap the control panel and printing begins. Mooz is super easy to use. Mooz can also handle CNC carving easily, with adjustable depth of between 0 and 5 millimeters. It can deliver more detailed curve. Choose a laser engraving head. Mooz is just as good as a typical ink printer, allowing you to engrave fine print on anything. Mooz is the best printer for makers and creators. Its high precision unleashes the restriction of other printers, giving you more choice and possibilities. Great things await you and your imagination.
About 6 months ago, we decided to make the M3D Pro based on getting feedback from our existing users. So we've already gone through 3 iterations of design prototypes and we're almost completely done the engineering. 3 months ago, we proved a lot of the important concepts like making a heated bed that uses less power, proving that it can move a lot faster, proving the benefits of higher quality and higher precision metal parts. And right now we're going through the final phases of proving the feedback system and finishing the next steps in programming.
First time I ever heard about 3D printing was one of my friends printed a Ninja Warrior training hold, and I thought it was really cool.
The unique thing that you're getting with M3D Pro that we have not yet seen in this industry is that ability for the printer to sense many different things within itself. It has the ability to sense position, it has the ability to sense speed, it has the ability to sense temperature in 5 different places, and if there's a problem, it can be self-diagnosed and in almost all cases can be self-corrected.
Hi, this is Migo, your portable internet-enabled 3D printer. Migo was born to change your view of 3D printing. Simple and portable. Just plug it in and play. We always keep the highest industrial standards in mind. Life will be simple and exquisite with Migo. That's not all. Migo goes beyond your imagination. As inventors, we worked hard to make Migo smaller than small, achieving the maximum volume to size ratio. In fact, Migo is so compact, there are no unnecessary parts. Yet it's more powerful than other 3D printers. Furthermore, the replaceable printer head can fuel all your creative needs. That's how Migo makes your life more colorful. Migo was born for your creativity. Designed with built-in apps, Migo is perfect for anyone. Migo changes the way you print, letting you print creatively, anytime, anywhere, effortlessly. Batch printing makes Migo more efficient than the competition. Multiple prints are just one click away, allowing you to instantly build your own printing factory. Amazing features make it the new standard in 3D printing. The printing process has never been so enjoyable. This is Migo, the fantastic future of quality, affordable 3D printing. Migo, best friend for life.
When we first launched the 3Doodler, we asked the world to imagine a pen that could literally draw in the air. 2 years on, we've made the world's first 3D printing pen even better, with a new and improved version that's slimmer, lighter, quieter, and even easier to use. The 3Doodler heats, then rapidly cools plastic, allowing instant 3D creation. And with no software or computers, the possibilities are limited only by your imagination. We've shipped over 130,000 first-generation 3Doodlers, and our community has used them to create amazing things, from jewelry to RC planes, fully 3Doodle dresses, architectural models, and even writing Braille. It was because of the support of this Kickstarter community that we were able to make the 3Doodler dream a reality. To say thank you, we've decided to bring 3Doodler 2.0 to you first. Completely redesigned from top to bottom and housed in a sleek aluminum casing, the new 3Doodler is the result of over 2 years of research and development, all aimed at giving you the best 3Doodling experience possible. The new 3Doodler is also packed with loads of enhancements, making it smoother, sleeker, and easier to use than ever before. We're also releasing exciting new accessories, including the Jetpack, a portable power pack that gives you the freedom to 3Doodle on the go. To help kickstart creativity in the classroom, we've created a special educational bundle, complete with pens, plastic, accessories, and curricular materials, which you can send to any school, library, or makerspace of your choosing. If you can draw, write, or wave a finger in the air, you can create with the 3Doodler. Our community website has hundreds of projects and stencils that you can download for free, and it's filled with how-to videos and images of inspiring creations from around the world. So, when will you get your new 3Doodler? We'll start delivering to our first backers in a few weeks, and the majority of you will be 3Doodling by April. We can't thank you enough for joining us on this amazing journey.